This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blades renewal. Lift the wiper blades away from the windscreen. Place a cloth on the windscreen to prevent the arm from damaging the glass. Release the clip, then slide the wiper blade away from the arm and remove it. Fit the new blade over the hook and secure the clip. Remove the cloth from the windscreen, then return the arm to its normal operating position. Lift the wiper blade away from the screen and unclip the wiper blade. Rest the wiper arm back against a cloth to avoid damaging the glass. Lift the arm and insert the new wiper blade so it clips into position. Return the arm to its normal operating position.